back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Let's get right into this. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my beautiful passion twist. And in my hair I have two colors. I have color 4 and color 1, so black and brown. But I will go through the details in this video, so I hope you guys enjoy this and it's easy to follow. And this is basically the final finished product. And it comes down to my bump. Before we get into this video, I just want to explain what method I'm using. I'm doing a bit of crochet and a few single ones with crochet as well. So I have two different kinds of hair. Okay, so I decided to get some water wave hair like this to do the single pieces around the front of my head. So I got the Janet Connection Nala Tress, and this is actually the Nomadic Twist. And I got this because I just like the look of it more than the Passion Twist pack they had. First thing I'm going to do is cornrow my hair so we can go ahead and crochet these into place. So I'm just going to stop talking and do this, and I'm sure you guys will be able to follow along. Alright guys, so this is the cornrow pattern I'm using to crochet, and I did this to half my head, so half of it is going to be crocheted this way. And you can do this with flat twists, or you can secure your hair into a tight low bun and crochet into that. And as you can see, I braided my cornrows in a way where I fed each end into each other, or you can just sew it all together at the end. It's really up to you, or you can leave a piece at the bottom and do single crochets there to cover it when you put it up. So as you can see, I crocheted that little anchor piece, like the thick bottom piece first, just to cover it up. And then now I'm just doing a regular crochet into the cornrows line by line. So you just hook it on and make sure it's closed, and then you put it through and then tie it around. So it's pretty simple. Crochet is really easy. And I just kind of leave 2 fingers of space between each crochet piece. It honestly doesn't need to be too full because it will get covered in the end. You're not going to realize how much you're really putting in there, so don't worry about it being perfect. In the end, you can always go back and fill any visible gaps. So I kind of leave it spacey and save the hair for the front part of my head. So if you didn't see that, I will show you again. So you just stick it through, and then you hook your hair onto the crochet stick hook. Make sure it's closed and you pull it through. And as you guys can see, I use the color 4 in the back of my head, so then you can see it at the bottom of my hair when it's done. Alright, so I have done the back of my head. I used 3 packs in the back. Yeah, 3 packs in the back. And I'm gonna leave it how it is right now. And if I need to fill in some more gaps, I will do that later, because I don't want to overdo it in the back and then realize I don't have to cover up anything. I just crocheted them all in as you guys saw. I went line by each corner, and I put 2 fingers in between each crochet. Alright guys, so here I've separated my hair so you guys can see. I parted it into these small little squares, and then I braided them about 1/2 inch down, and then I used my crochet hook to hook underneath that braid, which is where I'll be pulling my hair through. So you can see, because of that, the crochet stick isn't just pulling through my hair. It kind of gives it a place for the crochet hair to stick and for you to be able to pull through and to secure a knot at the root of your hair. So some people like to do this with the elastic band method. You can put an elastic band at your roots instead of braiding it, but personally I don't like taking elastic bands out of my hair, so I decided to braid it just a tiny little bit just to secure the crochet hair in, and then I just go ahead and I twist it up like a regular twist. So as you saw, I undid the twist, and then now I'm twisting it again with my own hair. So you can do it as tight as you want at the roots. I tried to do it not too tight, just so it already looks kind of, I don't know, relaxed, and I don't want to aggravate my scalp. So that's what I decided to do, and then I just continue to do that with all the other braids. Again, you just braid the hair a little bit, and then you take your crochet stick and you stick it through at the bottom, and then you take your piece of hair. This one's already undone so you can see it, and then I pull it through just like that. And then what I personally do is take both my hair and the crochet hair on the other side, and I pull both of them through the loop. And then once I do that, I secure the knot at the roots. You guys will see what I'm doing. So just pull it through just like that, and then I tighten it. Just like that. So now I can go ahead and continue twisting, and then that's basically it when it comes to doing these single crochets. Again, you can do them as tight and as big and as parted as you want. This is completely up to you. This is just how I like to do mine, and I made them pretty small in the front just so it looks nicer when I tie it up. Alright, so now it's time to add some style to these twists. So if you guys see passion twists, people always have like, or braids nowadays or anything, there's like some loose curls kind of sticking out of each twist to kind of give it some, I don't know, some style, I guess. So to do that, I just take a little tiny piece of the hair and I crochet it underneath one of the twists. So I do it at the root. You can even do it from in the middle of the twist. You can do it anywhere. So you can crochet these pieces literally anywhere. So I just pull it through like normal, and then I secure it, and then I tighten it. So if you want to kind of switch up the way the curl looks, take some edge control, run it through the hair, make it look, you know, a little shiny, a little different. And then, yeah, I just do this all around my hair, anywhere that I feel like it would stand out. So usually at the top, in the middle of twists, and I do a little bit on each side. So nothing serious. And then I separate them so then they can look nice and fluffy as well. So this is all just preference. You don't have to do this, but if you do want to, this is how I do it. And then for some of the pieces, I cut them short just so they'll bounce up and kind of stand out a little bit more. I don't want it to get caught up in the rest of the hair. I want it to stand out a little bit. So yeah, that is basically it after I do everything. Yeah, you can see the little curls sticking out on the side. And yeah, and then I go ahead and I add some beads, some gold thread, some seashells, whatever it is you want to add. And as you guys can see, the hair is well covered in the back. There is not much to add, and it's so lightweight because it's not actually twisted in the back. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the back part just in case you're wondering. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was easy to follow from somebody who just did it for the first time. I will say it was very easy, so do not be discouraged. It's easier than doing regular twists, and it's easier than doing braids. You really can't go wrong. So I hope this was easy for you guys to follow, even for beginners. And if you do not know how to do cornrows, you can even do flat twists at the back of your head, or even just pull your hair down into a ponytail and crochet into that. You can literally do it any way you know how. Even if your cornrows look crazy, you can crochet into it. So that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I've been getting lots of compliments on this hair, so I hope to see you guys trying this out very soon. I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.